Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Proton Mail on your iPhone. Proton Mail is a secure email service designed to protect your privacy. Unlike traditional email providers, Proton Mail uses end-to-end encryption, meaning only you and the person you're emailing can read the messages. And even Proton Mail itself cannot access your email content. The service is developed by the privacy-focused company Proton AG, and it is widely trusted for the secure communication. So in order to install on your iPhone, what you can do is open to your app store on your device, and under this on the bottom you can find out this search icon. Tap on the search icon and type on Proton Mail and search for it, and over here we can find this Proton Mail encrypted. Tap on this Proton Mail encrypted and select to this get, and you need to double click to install it and confirm using your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically, and once installed you can tap open in the app store or the tab Proton Mail on your home screen as well. And after installation you can securely send, receive and manage encrypted mails using Proton Mail from your smartphone anytime. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you.